Hi, Marco Lopez here on the show floor of InfoComm 2026, and we're really excited about some of the new features and functionality that we're bringing to our tried and true Eclipse HX platform. So now we're at version 15 of that platform. Just goes to show the amount of work and functionality that has been brought into this platform over the last many years. Eclipse HX is the workhorse of our platforms that allows you to scale to hundreds and even thousands of ports by connecting multiple Eclipse frames together. But with version 15, you now have the ability to connect that award-winning FreeSpeak cell product. So again, as part of that FreeSpeak family, you can have any one of our FreeSpeak family of products connecting, including FreeSpeak Cell. So for those customers that are venturing now into the cellular intercom functionality and application. As well, with version 15, we're really proud of also increasing the number of IPA cards. So the IPA card is our IP controller card. You were limited to about 5 in an Omega frame. Now you can bring that to 7. So again, more IP ports, especially in this age of where more IP infrastructures are table stakes now. And then we're also doing a little bit of a technology preview with a new panel called the Aries panel. That's a code name at the moment, but now we're bringing the new ability of having touch and tactile controls directly onto a panel. So again, this panel is mounted using an articulated arm, using the VESA mount that's available with the panel. It can also be put as a desk, or you can have it mounted on a wall. So again, any one of those rehearsal rooms or call stations can now be using this panel, and it works directly into the Eclipse, along with all of the Iris series of panels that make up the family. Again, we're really excited about some of these innovations that we're bringing to this tried and true platform, and we continue to innovate alongside that. If you have any additional questions, please come and see us here on the show floor, or come visit our website at www.clearcomm.com.